Welcome to my Easy Maths class, my dear students. Today's topic, right circular cylinder. All of you have idea that a right circular cylinder means it will have two circular surface, one curved surface. Circular surface means radius is compulsory and height. So two datas should be given or two datas required. Let's see what is being asked here. A cylindrical drum of diameter 4.2 decimeter with lid made by steel sheet. Right? Cylindrical drum with lid means complete covered. Diameter is 4.2 decimeter. If 112.20 square decimeter of steel sheet required, we have to find the height of the drum. So data given is diameter means radius. You know radius is diameter by 2. So you can write here R is equal to 4.2 by 2, that is 2.1 decimeter, right? Let height be h decimeter. Okay. What to find out? Total surface area, because 112.20 square decimeter steel sheet required to make that drum means total surface area. So you have to know the formula of total surface area of cylinder, right? Total surface area of the drum is equal to 2 pi r plus h. Okay, 2 pi r plus h. That here it is square decimeter, right? 2 pi r into r plus h. What is given? 112.20 square decimeter steel sheet required means by the problem we can write 2 pi r plus h is equal to 112.20. Let's calculate to find h. First we should write all the datas. 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R means 2.1 decimeter. We can write 2.1 decimeter as 21 by 10 decimeter, right? And within bracket 21 by 10 plus h, that is equal to 102.20. Okay, that is equal to 102.20. Okay, now we can write 21 by 10 to h is equal to 112.20 into 7 by 22 into 10 by 21 into 1 by 2. Just all these datas are being reversed. 2 becomes 1 by 2, 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22, and 21 by 10 becomes 10 by 21, right? As many calculation you will do, you will be more perfect, you will be more confident, right? Now, so if you do the calculation, we can write one thing. 112.20 means we can write 11220 divided by 100. So all the decimals are being converted to fraction, right? So let's do the calculation. Ultimately 7.3. So this one becomes 17.2. Therefore, H is equal to 17 by 2 minus 21 by 10. Okay. $85, that is 64 by, that is 6.4 decimeter. So the answer is coming as 6.4 decimeter. In mensuration, all the calculations are important, but if you convert all the decimals into fraction, I think you can easily do all the calculations. Right? It depends upon your practice. Okay, this will give you confidence. So now, therefore, the required height is, therefore, the required height of the drum is 6.5 decimeter. Okay. I will come back soon with another very good problem. Here is another important problem. What is given? A cylindrical tank of 5-meter height filled with water. Right? A cylindrical tank of 5-meter height filled with water, and water comes out through a pipe of diameter 8 centimeter. Okay. And water comes out through 8 cent, right, at a speed of 225 meter per minute, and diameter of the tank given 8 centimeter. And it took 45 minutes to make the tank empty. Try to understand. Initially the tank was filled up with water, and water comes out through the pipe at a speed of 225 meter per minute, and diameter of the pipe is also given. So height of water tank given, which is 5 meter, we can write 500 centimeter is the height. Okay. If we convert all the unit into centimeter, then height of tank becomes 500 centimeter. Now let radius of tank be r centimeter. Okay, let radius of tank be r centimeter. This one is r centimeter. R centimeter. Radius of tank is r centimeter. Right? And water is draining out through a pipe from that tank, and it took 45 minutes to make the tank empty. So question is, at what rate water is flowing out? At a speed of 225 meter per minute. What does it mean? It means, imagine a pipe filled with water up to 225 meter. That volume of water is draining out per minute. So we are writing like this. And what is given? Radius of pipe is equal to here diameter 8 centimeter, so it will be 8 by 2, that is 4 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, volume of water flowing out through the pipe is equal to pi 4 square into 22500 cubic centimeter, because per minute. So in 1 minute, water, the volume of water flowing out is pi 4 square into 22500 cubic centimeter, because it is given at 225 meter. Meter is being converted to centimeter, right? So by the problem, volume of tank will be equals to volume of water flowing out in 45 minutes, right? So volume of tank is equal to volume of water flowing out in 45 minutes. Volume of tank means it will be pi r square into 500. That is equal to, we have already found volume of water flowing in 1 minute is this one. So it will be pi 4 square into 22500 into 45, right? In 45 minutes into 45. Now we have to find, just by calculation, we have to find the value of r. Pi are being cancelled. So r square is equal to, it will be 4 square means 16 into 22500 into 45 divided by 500 means, it will be 4 into 15 into 3 whole square. Therefore r is equal to 4 into 15 into 3. It will be 180 centimeter. Therefore diameter of the tank is 180 into 2, that is 360 centimeter. Okay, so diameter of the tank is 360 centimeter. I am coming back with another very good and very interesting problem. Okay, here is another very interesting problem. Please take a careful look. The inner and outer diameter of a cylindrical pipe, that is, it is a hollow cylinder, open at both ends, are given 26 centimeter and 30 centimeter respectively, and length of pipe is 14.7 meter. We have to calculate the cost of painting the entire surface, that is outer surface, inner surface, all the surfaces of the pipe at rupees 2.25 per square decimeter, at rupees 2.25 per square decimeter. It will be per square decimeter. Okay. Now this one is being cylindrical pipe. What does it mean? So this one is cylindrical pipe. Okay. Smaller, and this one is capital R. What does it mean? Inner radius. Inner radius is equal to 26 by 2, that is 13 centimeter, is equal to, we can write 1.3 decimeter. Outer radius is equal to 30 by 2, that is 15 centimeter, 1.5 decimeter. Okay, and height or length of whatever we can write is, length is equal to 14.7 meter. 14 point, that is 147 decimeter, right? What to find out? We have to find the entire surface area. So outer surface area entire surface area, right? What to find out? We have to find the entire surface area. So outer first, inner surface area, inner surface area plus outer surface area plus two annular space, that is two ring shaped part, two ring shaped part. What does it mean? So that is equal to outer surface area is 2 pi capital R H. Inner surface area is 2 pi small r h. Outer surface area 2 pi capital R H. And ring shaped part is pi capital R square minus small r square into 2. Try to understand. Ring shaped part means this one. Okay, so this one is right. So this one is smaller and this one is capital R. So we have to think about this particular region. Okay, we have to think about this particular region. Now by the problem, what to find? Now we are taking 2 pi common. Taking 2 pi common. We are finding RH, small rh, capital RH, and here it is capital R square minus small r square. Right, it is. It means 2 pi smaller h means 13 into 147, and here it is 15 into 147. Here it is. So we can do one thing. We can write this one as taking h common, capital R plus small r plus capital R plus small r, capital R minus small r. Right, it is. So we can write, for the sake of calculation, making the calculation a bit easier, we can do this one. 2 pi, taking capital R plus small r common, we are getting h plus capital R minus small. 2 pi capital R plus small r into h plus r minus r. After putting all the values, we have found 1.5, 1.3. Here it is 147, 1.5 minus 1.3 square decimeter. Right. Therefore, cost to paint, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.8. Here it is 0.2 into 2.25. Ultimately, it will come like rupees 5829.12. Okay, this will be our answer. Try to understand. what I did here. First, I have written inner surface area, then outer surface area, and then two ring shape portion, right? And then for the sake of making calculation easier, I have taken 2 pi common, and then later on I have taken capital R plus small r common. So in this way, while doing calculations, you will find you can make all the all the calculations easier by doing this one. Okay. After arranging, after getting three factors, after finding three factors, after putting the values, I got the cost to paint is this entire square decimeter into 2.25. Ultimately, answer is coming like rupees 5829.12. So what I would like to say is this: don't get afraid, don't get nervous facing these problems, facing these calculations, because calculation is a part of mensuration. As many calculations you will do, you will be as brave and as confident, right? So during our next class, we will discuss these or another interesting problems. So till then, goodbye.